Welcome to Dashcam drama where wild drivers collide with fate and the open road turns into pure chaos. From mind-blowing crashes to heart-stopping near misses, every moment is a reminder that one reckless move can unleash total disaster. Buckle up, the ride is about to get intense. From the camera recording, it shows that the bus driver could not control his speed, leading to a series of accidents. Hopefully, no one was seriously injured. The car driver turned so suddenly that the truck driver couldn't react in time. This was a very unfortunate accident. Hope the truck driver is safe. From the dashcam recording, a pretty terrible accident happened. Waiting for the police to investigate the cause, hoping that no one in the car was seriously injured. The driver most likely mistakenly stepped on the brake pedal instead of the gas pedal. Luckily, no one was injured. Wow, the accident looks terrible. Was the driver sleepy? How could he be so careless? Luckily, no one was seriously injured. It is true that no one knows what will happen on the road. There are many awkward situations for drivers, like the clip we are watching. How could the tanker driver drive so carelessly? He tried to drive when he was very sleepy. I hope there were no casualties. Not looking carefully before overtaking can cause a terrible accident. Just one small mistake on the road can sometimes lead to a very serious incident.
Leck mich am Arsch! Filmt, ne?
Ja.
Geil, hast du super Beweismaterial.
The camera recorded a rather horrific accident. The police are investigating the cause of the accident. As far as I know, everyone was only injured. Luckily, no one died. Wow, the driver was going too fast and couldn't control the steering wheel. The accident was heart-stopping just looking at it. Luckily, everyone only suffered minor injuries. From the dashcam recording, when on the road, we must focus on driving, keep a safe distance, avoid unfortunate accidents, like in the clip. What's the use of being superior to each other on the road? Watching the clip is like watching a movie. The accident was unfortunate. Many drivers are too subjective. Just a small mistake on the road can cause many regrettable things. The police arrived at the scene of the accident, but the cause is not yet known. I hope everyone in the car is safe. Rounding the corner, the driver of the car with the dashcam quickly put it into reverse. Ahead, a car was doing the same thing, since at the top of the hill, the dump truck was reversing in a state where it seemed to have lost control of its brakes. Through the clip we are watching, let's pray for the truck driver's safety. Just looking at it makes my heart skip a beat. From the camera, the driver looks like he was driving drunk. Normally, this situation can be handled. Hopefully, he wasn't seriously injured. Another situation where the brake pedal was mistaken for the accelerator. Everyone was startled. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. In this situation, the husband was really careless. Seeing this, I felt sorry for the wife. Luckily, the wife only suffered minor injuries. Oh my God, the accident really shocked everyone. Look, the motorcyclist was so lucky. I wish everyone driving on the road safety. Whose fault is it in this clip? Why are both drivers so careless? At intersections, we should give way to each other. From the dashcam recording, we also see we do not understand the reason why such an accident happened. All for the police to investigate clearly the cause.
Ни хрена себе!
You've just witnessed those gripping moments where fate twists sharply and brutal collisions carve unforgettable warnings into every driver's mind. Always remember, safety is the strongest shield you can carry on any road. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we dive even deeper into the hunting stories hidden along the world's wildest highways.